So welcome to my series on inspection scaries that really aren't that scary. Last week I talked about water penetration. This week we're going to talk about radon. Now I'm no scientist, but what I can tell you about radon is that it is the breakdown of uranium in groundwater, soil, and rock. So this gas that's emitted is essentially radioactive and can cause lung cancer. In fact, it's the second cause of lung cancer. So obviously it's a major concern, and buyers will always have a radon test if there's a house with a basement. So the inspector will put 2 canisters in the basement. We'll also ask the homeowner to keep all the windows in the house closed so they can get a true sample of radon or any level of radon in the basement. And he will take those canisters a couple days later to a lab, and the reading from the lab will come back a couple days after that. Now, if the reading is higher than 4.0 picocuries, it is considered dangerous levels of radon and will require some type of mitigation system in the basement. Now, these mitigation systems will run about $2,000 to $3,000, but will require almost no maintenance. It will just be in the basement, recirculating the air, getting out all the radon and pumping in fresher air. Now, if you're a homeowner and you have a basement and it's been many, many years since you've done a radon test, or perhaps you've never done a radon test, you can get an online kit and do the test yourself. And I would recommend doing that because radon can change at any given time and at any given moment. So if you have any questions about radon or any other inspection scaries, please give me a call.